This is Truffle's litter. There's Lavender Girl. Yes. Peach Girl, she's the one that has a little bit of white that will probably disappear. Dark Blue Boy is the darkest boy. Red Boy, Baby Blue. Oh, everybody's peeing now. Great. There's Green. Yellow. Oh, with the big eyelashes. Fuchsia. Mint Green. Dark Girl, actually. Gold Boy. Pink Girl. As you can see, they're starting to walk around. This litter is kind of different for me. Usually my standard poodles are as round as they are tall. And this litter, different daddy of course, and they're growing up like horses. I've never seen so much leg on one of my puppies at this age. And they're walking around, like I said, just like little horses, little colts. So it's going to be neat to see how they mature. I think they're going to be quite tall little puppies. Tall, big puppies. I'm going to clean you up again and put your toys back in. And yellow and baby blue. They smell me.